Okay, let's keep going with that whole concept. All right, so I've got this system of equations. It's the same one we were working on right there. I'm going to rewrite this as a matrix. A, B, D, E. There's the coefficient matrix times the variable matrix, x, y, equals, and the solution matrix is C, F. Okay? Now, let's talk about the determinant. We did all this. We haven't really been talking about determinants yet. Determinant equals, so the determinant of the coefficient matrix. What we're going to do is we're going to write, we just use single lines. Notice there are no brackets at the top and the bottom. We have A, B, D, E. So to find the determinant, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply these two together. Okay, so we've got AE, and then we're going to subtract the product of these. So we've got minus BD. Now that should look familiar because we dealt with that same type of deal when we were doing solutions of 2x2s. Okay, so we've seen this before. Now we have another concept of determinant of x. So again, it's just the single bars, okay? But this time what I'm going to do is, see the A and the D, those are the coefficients of the x terms. So I'm going to take out A and D right here, and I'm going to replace them with C and F. So C and F. Now B and E stay right where they were. Okay, those didn't move. So let's go over that again. A and D represented the coefficients of the x terms. So to find D of x, I'm going to take out A and D and replace them with the answers, C and F. Okay? So the determinant in x is, and you do the same thing, you're going to go, these two diagonals multiplied together, C times E, and you're going to subtract this matrix. Okay, so again, we're subtracting that matrix, so we get minus BF. And then we get the determinant in y equal to, now we put the x coefficients back, A, D. This time we replace the y coefficients with the answers. So we've got CF. And this equals, again with the diagonals, we've got this diagonal, A times F, minus this diagonal, C times D. Okay? Now, this is where it's all going to come together. See, you've seen these sequences of variables before. See right here? Look at the denominator. AE minus BD, AE minus BD, AE minus BD. This A times E minus B times D is what's showing up in the denominator on both of these. Then you've got CE minus BF. Well, that's in the numerator here for the x. And then you have AF minus CD, and that was right there in the numerator for the y. So we can make a conclusion here. Therefore, the x value in a solution is equal to the determinant of x divided by d. And again, that's this CE minus BF divided by AE minus BD, which we proved right here. So this equals CE minus BF over AE minus BD, and y equals the determinant in y over d, which equals, now we've got AF minus CD over D, which was AE, sorry, you can't see that, AE minus BD. And we proved these with this right here. We're just doing it in matrix form now. Okay, so I don't have an example for you with numbers. Really, all you're doing for the homework is plugging numbers into these two formulas to figure out what the x and the y's are. We're going to continue with this next time when we actually solve systems using Cramer's law or Cramer's rule. So bring any questions you have to the discussion, and remember, this is